Friends, Vande Mataram. I hope you can hear me. I was facing some kind of issues, a technical hitch. So if someone can, if you can listen me, then please, if you could, if any one of you can just type a message on the chat box. And for the Hindi users, I'm going to live again by 4:30 p.m. I can't see any message. Well, I'm going to start. Your voice is okay. Shruti Agarwal, thank you. So friends, for today on 31st of Jan, Nifty stand by 21,725, and I can see that Nifty is going to touch by 23,000, and we'll discuss about this, how it can happen, and about this week wise also. I am going to give you some kind of data in the last, and also there is a crash expected. I hope you remember I had given one prediction by August 2023, where I have mentioned that there can be some kind of crash by 23rd and 24th of October 2020, and exactly that happened. So here I can see a kind of crash which I have not yet analyzed properly, but yes, I can see some kind of major correction in Feb 2024. Well, so let me give you the data for Feb 2024, and we'll discuss all these points later on. Yeah, I just want to give one disclaimer also, that we are not SEBI registered, and channel is not responsible for any loss and profit, because these are just purely mundane astrology stock market analysis. So on 1st of Feb, I can see a little positive in the morning, but after 12:15 p.m., I can see a better growth in the market, a better Nifty can go in a better position, where banking sector will go high. So it would be better to buy banking stocks, and for the short-term investors also, for short goals, and for the traders, it is going to be the very good time. And on 2nd of Feb, again banking will be very high. So you can sell on the 1st of Feb, and remaining stock you can close by 2nd. But yes, there are a few more better days ahead. So if you're going to buy banking stocks, you should sell by 7th or 8th of Feb. 3rd and 4th, it's a holiday. 5th of Feb, I can see a little up and down in the whole day, but finally Nifty will be down. I can't figure out how much it would be down, but it is going to be down after 3:30. The market would get close. On the 6th of Feb, around 70 point up, a better day. 7th of Feb, around 40 points up, I can see, and 8th of Feb in the morning, I can see high. The market would be very positive by morning, so it would remain till 12:30 p.m., and after then it would start going down, and around 40 point will be down as the final closer. 9th of Feb, around 50 point down. 10th and 11th, it's a holiday. 12th of Feb, Nifty would go again high, but disappointment in banking sector. So bank Nifty can go down, and rest of the Nifty would be very positive, would be going high. So that's why I mentioned initially that if you want to have a good profit on 1st of Feb, you can buy bank Nifty, like banking share, bank Nifty, and by 8th of or 9th of Feb, you can make a closer. 13th of Feb, around 40 point up. Whenever I say up and down, just consider that I'm talking about Nifty. On 14th of Feb, 50 point up. 15th of Feb, little down. Here I couldn't figure out the point. 16th of Feb, 40 points down. 17th and 18th, it's holiday. And 19th of Feb, I can see a little up in the morning and after 12:35 p.m. Better hold of Nifty, like a very positive day I can consider. So Nifty is going to be little on the higher side on 19th of Feb. 20th of Feb, up. It's going to up since morning for the whole day. So it's a positive day basically for the Nifty. 21st of Feb, 50-point high. 22nd of Feb, 40-point high again. And on 23rd of Feb, here I can see some kind of correction, a shock. So stock market correction can be seen by 23rd of Feb. So here my suggestion, be careful and keep on watching news, international affairs. If something is some kind of, if something happened like any war-like situation, the way it happened in 2022, Ukraine-Russia war, that happened also by this week in 2022, and that I had already predicted in August 2021. So be careful, friends. So here I can see a little correction also. So here I'm not giving any kind of data, just be careful. And I was talking about this on 23rd of Feb. So 24th and 25th, it's a holiday. And 26th, I can see this is going to be a better day for traders because market would go a little higher side. So wherever you would see, as per your understanding, that it's high as per your way, it's better to sell your scripts, whether it's a short time or long term, because there would be a little more correction on 27th of Feb, because on 27th I can see again down, and 28th a little up, but a very little, maybe 10 to 20 points. On 29th of Feb, 40-point high. Now let me give you a weekly data which I have calculated. In first week of Feb, I can see 21,950, like end of the week. So today is for 31st of Jan, where I can see, let me check the dates. Yeah, so it's Friday. Yeah, I can see by 7th of Feb 2000, let me mention also 7th of Feb 2024, I can see Nifty by 1950, and from 8th to 9th Feb, in these 2 days, around 21,750. Yeah, so here I have also mentioned 8th and 9th Feb. Little I have mentioned a down, I mentioned point also of 9th Feb around 50 point down. So there is a possibility that 8th and 9th I have mentioned 40 or 50 point, but it can be little more because there is a difference of around 200. So here you can calculate as per your understanding, because I have seen people making complaints also, but many people they have been appreciating because they try to use their own analysis, because they see news analysis, etc., and the trend of the market. So just don't completely dependent on my prediction. I understand many people have suggested that I should come weekly for stock market prediction. I know that if I would come every week, it would be better for everyone and for me also, because my prediction will be more accurate. But friends, it's very, very difficult to get a weekly time. Now on 11th to 14th Feb, 21,950 by end of the day. Now I can see expected Nifty around 22,200 between 20th of Feb till 24th of Feb. So till here I have calculated the data here, and by end of the month where Nifty would stand, I'm not giving any kind of data today. Now let me read your questions. Oh my God, so many questions. So I understand there are few users who want to listen me in Hindi. So friend, just give me a little time, like 15 to 20 minutes. I'm coming again for my Hindi video. Chetan Patekar, ahead of budget. This will be interesting. Okay, for Mr. Khan. I don't know. Sorry, sir, I am unable to understand your question. Gurmukh Singh, Namaskar ji, how are you? Hi, Bijit, how are you? I understand. I can see you are always live every time, and thanks. Like we are welcome. Thanks for your wishes also. Abhijit ji, I think I remember you are very elder to me, so thank you, sir. Ravi Ratan Maheshwari ji, I understand you have given the details of your birth time, but today the lack of time, so won't be possible today. Good afternoon, Abhay Jain ji. Yeah, there are a few astrological questions from Rahul, Umesh, and some other people. So, friends, I want to say that today it won't be possible from my side. So, next month I can give little more time. Yeah, so Abhijit ji has asked a question, how long will the impact of correction last? Abhijit ji, I have not yet calculated, but yes, I can see correction near 23rd of Feb 2024. And if I'm not wrong, there might be correction of 6 to 8%. Let's see how this data goes as per my calculation. I understand you must be thinking that why I have given a little up and down after these dates of 20, like this date of 23rd Feb. So as I mentioned that I have not yet calculated completely because you understand also when we do make analysis through mundane astrology, it takes a lot of time, lot of calculations involved in this, and it's very, very difficult to work alone on such kind of mundane astrology data. Virender Meher, sorry. Virender Meher, I think you have just entered, so you can listen the video from starting. Rajiv ji, good afternoon. Madhvi Padman. Madhvi ji, as I mentioned, it won't be possible today to give any kind of astrological analysis live for you people because of my little busy schedule. And Trideep Mukherjee, thanks, Mrs. Mukherjee. Yeah, someone has asked question about my if I give a stock market astrology analysis on the horoscope. So if you want to book any kind of prediction for you, I do provide consultation by myself only. I do call personally. Whether it's a video call or voice call as per the demand of the native. So if anyone want to take the consultation, link is given below this link, and the number is also highlighted on the screen. So if you want, you can call on this number. There will be Mr. Nakul Kumar who would receive your call, and he can guide you how the prediction part would go. Because I understand there are many people who keep on trying in this stock market, but again keep on booking losses also, and depend on the luck, how your like what your chart indicates. As I have been mentioning in my every video that fifth house of someone's of native's horoscope give indication about the benefit or losses in the stock market. So if there is no luck in the horoscope, it doesn't matter if someone is giving you a good tip like a person like me or someone else. Because at the end of time, what happened? People make mistakes. They try to use their own brain because they have a lot of fear factor, or sometimes they are very aggressive in the market. So when there is no luck, you cannot book any profit. So better to check your horoscope from any stock market astrologer before you book any kind of major losses in the market. Abhijit ji, thanks for understanding. I can see your comment. Sheetal Kejriwal ji, I have mentioned about the crash in the video. So would appreciate if you could listen the complete video. Pradeep Nayyar ji, yes, I can see a kind of crash which was happened in 2008, and I remember I was that time like YouTube and etc. It was like not our cup of tea. I remember I had given predictions in Orkut. Many people you must be using Orkut during that time. So when the Nifty was, no, not Nifty, when the Bombay Stock Exchange BSE was around 22,000, I had given one article on Orkut that it is going to touch 8,000 within next 3 months. I know a lot of people started scolding me, and many people say Yeda, etc. I'm mad, etc. and what I'm talking about. And I remember I sold everything before the market got crashed. And for many of my friends, they listened me and they sold everything before the market got crashed. Rather we book profit also, and you know how in the trading market. So such kind of crash was already predicted by me, and there was a crash in 2020 which was also predicted by me in March 2020. You can see my past videos and the article which were given in our website astrokapoor.com. And such kind of a crash I can see in the coming time, but I'm just waiting for let Nifty get uh, its target of 23,000. So after we can predict during that time the crash timing. So friends, be careful about this market. And someone has mentioned Rajesh Chauhanji, Namaste Sirji, 2040 ka bottom. Okay. So if any Hindi users are there, I'm going to join again and by after 8-9 minutes, so we can connect again. So for today, Bharat Mata ki Jai.